So another phase of countryside we will see in the tribal region. The tribal peasants interpreted the message of Mahatma Gandhi, the idea of Swaraj, in yet another way. यहाँ उन्होंने दूसरे तरीके से ही उसको रिप्रेजेंट करना शुरू कर दिया. मतलब यहाँ आप देखेंगे कि all the people were with Mahatma Gandhi, but sometimes they were manipulating, or sometimes they were doing with their own all like violence kind of activities, but on the name of Mahatma Gandhi they were ready to fight. So, in the Gudain hills of Andhra Pradesh, for instance, the militant guerrilla movement spread in the early 1920s, not a form of struggle, and the Congress could approve. Here is in other forest region, the colonial government had closed large forest areas and preventing people from entering the forest and gaze their cattle and to collect the fuel wood in the fruits. This enraged the hill of people, enraged the hill people not only for their livelihood affected by the felt and their traditional rights were being denied. Now here to understand this paragraph, I take you back to in ninth class when we were reading the colonialism and social society, rule of colonialism and forest society. Where did you see, I think the people were affected, the tribal people were very much affected when फॉरेस्ट एक्ट लॉ वॉज पास्ड. ठीक है, तो वहाँ वो देखते वही सब चीज़ें यहाँ पर है, वही टाइम पीरियड है 1864 तक जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हुआ था आपका लॉज का. उस जिसका फ़र्क किस पर पड़ा था, ओनली द ट्राइबल्स वर अफेक्टेड, तो सेम थिंग्स वर देयर. And when government begin to forcing the contribute bigger for road building and the hill people revolt, the person who came to lead was an interesting figure, that was Alluri Sitaram Raju. Claimed that he had a variety of special power and he could make correct astrological prediction that heal the people. If you have the remember the name of Birsa Munda, the same kind of quality that person was having, maybe like the people who live in the lap of nature, they must have some kind of like this kind of blessing by the god, and they were very powerful. So Allure Sitaram claimed that he had a variety of special power. वो अपने आप में क्लेम करता था कि उसके पास इतनी शक्तियाँ हैं, एंड ही कुड मेक करेक्ट एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल प्रिडिक्शन. कहते हैं वो अच्छी भविष्यवाणी भी करता था. टू हील द पीपल एंड कुड सर्वाइव इवन बुलेट शॉट. ये कहता था मैं कभी भी अंग्रेजों की गोली से नहीं मरूंगा. तो कैप्टिवेट बाय राजू रिबल्स प्रोक्लेम दैट ही वाज एन इनकारनेशन ऑफ गॉड. यहाँ तक कि ऐसे लोग प्रूव भी करते थे. देयर आर मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स इन हिस्ट्री, लाइक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट चाइना एंड देर इज़ अ कन्फ्यूशियस, तो उसने भी यही अपने आप को प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि ही इज़ अ गॉड. तो दैट्स वाई पीपल बिलीव इन दैट कल्चर वेरी मच. तो हमारे यहाँ भी ऐसा काफ़ी था कि दीज टाइप ऑफ ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी दे बिलीव इन देम, एंड बिकॉज दे प्रिडिक्टेड so many truthful things. So Raju talked and the of the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi, said he was inspired by the non-cooperation movement and the persuaded people to wear khadi and giving up drinking. So यहाँ तक उसने ये भी कहा कि जो गांधी जी कहते हैं, like he is saying about to wear khadi and give up the drinking, whatever they have particular habits of drinking. So but the same time he asserted in India could be liberate only by the use of force, not non-violence. तो लेकिन वो इतना ज़रूर कहता था कि नॉन वायलेंस से कुछ नहीं होने वाला, वो फोर्स करेंगे, यूज़ करेंगे तो ही वो फ्री हो सकते हैं. तो गुडेम रिबल्स अटैक पुलिस स्टेशन, attempt to kill the British officials and carried on the guerrilla warfare for achieving Swaraj. Raju was captured and executed in 1924 and over the time make folk hero. तो उस टाइम पर इसको जो है एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया गया, फांसी दे दी गई, और ये 1924 से वहाँ का एक हीरो बनकर पॉपुलर हुआ. Another segment will see the non-cooperation movement to spread in this plantation. Now plantation is what, because British government has started some plantation like tea plantation, coffee plantation, indigo plantation. On a large scale, this business was done by them in India. So, worker had to their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the notion of Swaraj. For plantation worker in Assam, freedom means that the right to move freely and out of the confined space which they were enclosed. यहाँ पर क्या था कि लोग महात्मा गांधी के स्वराज से क्या थे, एवरी वन वॉज फेमिलियर. तो प्लांटेशन वर्कर जो आसाम में थे एंड दे वर बी confined because of some imposition of taxation and some punishment. They were exiled from their own reason, and the peasants or the plantation workers who were in Assam, so they were confined there, means they wanted to come back to their home but they did not come. So the link with the village, and they were had come, and under the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, तो एक एक्ट बनाया गया 1859 को, इमिग्रेशन. प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स वर नॉट परमिटेड टू लीव द गार्डन्स विदाउट परमिशन. मतलब इनके साथ ये था कि बिना परमिशन के ये अपना वहाँ प्लांटेशन एरिया को नहीं छोड़ सकते. एंड फैक्ट दे वर rarely given such permission when they heard of non-cooperation movement. Thousands of workers defied and authorities. तो ऐसे ही काफ़ी लोग in want of to go their home back, they defied means कहते हैं जिसको कि oppose में जाना. So left the plantation and headed home. They believed that Gandhi Raj was coming to everyone and would be given in their own village, and they however never reached to their destination. In hope of they defied, they left the places but they never come to their home and stranded on the way. Stranded मतलब यहाँ पर डिफरेंट मीनिंग विल गेन कि वो बीच में ही रह गए, ना इधर के हुए ना उधर के, फंसे रह गए. सो बाय द रेलवेज एंड स्टीमर लाइक स्ट्राइक एंड दे वर कॉट बाय द पुलिस एंड ब्रूचुअली बीटन अप. तो जब वो इस तरीके से डिफाई करते थे तो दे वर कॉट बाय द पुलिस एंड बीटन अप. एंड विजन्स ऑफ दीज वुमेन्स वर नॉट डिफाइड बाय द कांग्रेस प्रोग्राम. और इस तरीके के जो विज़न थे, ये जो मूवमेंट थी, वर नॉट डिफाइंड बाय द कांग्रेस प्रोग्राम. ऐसे मतलब इनके लिए कोई प्रोग्राम ऐसे कोई डिफाइन नहीं किए गए थे. एंड दे इंटरप्टेड द टर्म स्वराज in their own way and imagining it to be the time when all suffering and troubles would be over. लेकिन इतना ज़रूर था, इस चीज़ को बार बार एक्सप्लेन करते थे, the time sooner or later will come when all the anxiety, all the problems will be finished up. So the time will suffering reduce the trouble over. And yet when the rebels, the tribals changed Gandhiji name and raised the slogan demanding स्वतंत्र भारत. अब यहाँ पर जो था, गांधी जी के नाम से लोग चैंटिंग करते थे कि मतलब एक गांधी जी का नाम अगर किसी ने ले दिया, जैसे सिंपली बोलते हैं गांधी जी जिंदाबाद या स्वतंत्र भारत, तो लोगों के अंदर क्या हो जाता, देवर इमोशनली रिलेटिंग टू ऑल इंडिया एजिटेशन. मतलब एक नाम के साथ ही वेव आ जाती थी एंड एवरी वन वॉज ईगर टू फाइट. ठीक है, हर एक की अपनी अपनी लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती थी. सो व्हेन दे एक्टेड एज अ नेम ऑफ महात्मा गांधी और लिंक्ड देयर मूवमेंट to that the Congress, they were identifying with the movement and with which went beyond the time limit of their immediate locality. Now here is another picture is given that the Chori Chora in Gorakhpur, a peaceful demonstration in Bazaar, turned into a violent clash with the policies. And hearing of the incidents, Mahatma Gandhi called a halt or the non-cooperation movement. So till here we discussed, and now in next video we'll see the civil disobedience movement. Okay, thank you. Have a nice